Welcome to the new BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, because unfortunately we have not installed by default the AD feature on our BLACKVIEW device, so we should get the application from the Play Store. And here on the search pool, enter the Movies Edge. Now we should get this application, so tap to install, and after that just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Okay, after installing you should just click here on this green button to open the app. Click, then just drag over apps, and now just find the Movies Edge application. Click once on the switcher too, and after that just go back again into the application, and here we can see the AOD section. Click here, select one from the available tabs, click apply, and now when we'll lock the device we can see that always on display feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.